Hi, this is Jason Hawk from the Lorain County Community Guide and the Chronicle Telegram. Spoke this afternoon with David Cobble, the Lorain County Health Commissioner, about what we're seeing already in 2021 as far as vaccines. Where are they? How many do we have? Who's gotten them? Already, so far, the answer is pretty much EMTs, emergency medical technicians, the people who ride the ambulances, and firefighters who are trained to be some of the first medics on a scene when somebody needs help. We're also starting to see some of the vaccines roll out at nursing homes, and of course, hospitals have been giving them out. So far, the county itself has received about 900 doses of the vaccine. About 700 of those, a little bit more than 700, have already been given. And that seems like a very low number because it is a very low number. Right now, that number is coming from how many vaccines the state has. And the state of Ohio is getting about 170,000 vaccines a week. Once they get to the state, David Cobble says they're getting divvied up very, very quickly and very efficiently. They're getting to the people that they need to go to. The problem is that the two major vaccines right now, the Moderna vaccine and the Pfizer vaccine, there just aren't enough doses. And those companies are ramping up production. They're trying to give 1 billion doses each by the end of April. That's a very ambitious goal, but it's one that David Cobble seems to be very convinced can happen. And that's terrific because the more doses that we get and the more people who are vaccinated, the more quickly we can return to something that resembles normalcy in Lorain County. The county health department itself is scaling up or prepared to scale up its mass vaccinations as soon as it can. Before then, though, we've got to go through several waves. The waves have numbers and letters, but just to outline them very quickly, the first, of course, are going to nursing homes, firefighters, EMTs, and to the hospital staffs. After that, we're looking at some of the key players. We're looking at teachers getting theirs very soon, and hopefully that can happen sometime in late January or early February. The county health department says that it can go from 500 vaccines in a week to 5,000 vaccines very easily. They're planning for mass distribution in what they call pods, points of distribution. Right now, that's hospitals and places like the New Russia Township Hall, where some of the very first people to get the vaccines were. But as time goes on, those will expand. And what I'm being told is that places like fire stations or the Lorain County Fairgrounds are some of the places where most everyone, including me, are probably going to get the vaccine. That information is going to roll out here over the next couple of months, and you can watch the Chronicle and the Community Guide for that information about where you can get it, what your wave might be, where how fast you can be able to get the vaccine itself. So for right now, that's the information that we have, but watch for a little bit more to roll out here in the Chronicle tomorrow and in the Community Guide on Thursday. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Jason Hawk from the Chronicle Telegram and the Lorain County Community Guide. We'll keep on bringing you more information as it's available to us.